Hey everyone, it's your favorite girl, Deshawn.G, and today I am getting my teeth whitened. This is going to be a very short video because I'm just going to go over why I'm going to do it and the experience and show you guys the finished results. But before we begin, let's get some pictures. If you don't know, I'm preparing for pageants and I I want to elevate myself just in regular life because, you know, I want to start living the life of a Miss State USA before it comes. So I am upgrading myself. So I'm upgrading my makeup, my wardrobe, but today I'm focused on my teeth. And I think a smile is just so inviting. I'm always smiling, and I think a nice, pretty white smile would make people feel more invited into my space and all that good stuff. So long story short, when I was preparing for the pageant Miss Maryland USA earlier this year, I purchased a Groupon, very affordable, budget friendly, and I never used it. So now I'm going to redeem my coupon. So let's go.
And see where you're at on the shade.
Oh gosh.
And just so you know, I like to prepare my clients about just give you a little bit of information. So just, you know, whenever you notice your teeth darkening, I would definitely suggest like a touch-up whenever you're ready. So let's see. But you're not on the darker end.
Yeah.
Good. So usually most people have, you know, more than one shade. So the bottom is usually darker. So I try to go off of the darkest shade too, to get an idea of how well your teeth are whitening. So right now I would say that you are probably an 8 and a 10, which is not bad. That's normal. So you're about here, with the darker shades being the 10 and then the lighter being an 8, and I can show you that.
Ooh, let's give the camera.
What happened?
Bring it closer. So.
Oh, okay.
Everything.
So if you want to hold this, I can show you where we're at. So this is 8 and 10. Okay, and it's not bad. It's not bad. Most people are here in the middle. So that's yours because you have some darker shades there. But the goal is in the end to make it all, you know, match basically. So I'm gonna
Start the retraction first.
take it out and tell me what you're asking.
Oh, I didn't know I could take it out.
No,
Are we doing the
it's
protection first?
Oh yeah. So I was gonna start with the gums, but I will start with the protection just to so we can wipe it off. Close? Okay. So let me get the gel. You can sit up whenever you're ready and then just rinse until you don't feel the gel on your front teeth, and then just spit into that and keep it.
You have any floss? Oh gosh, it's right
Floss?
here.
Yeah. Why you feel like you need to
I feel like something's in my tooth.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I had an apple right before I got here.
Okay.
And I think
Oh, that's what you feel. Okay.
You
didn't brush your teeth within the last 4 hours, right?
No.
Oh, good. You're not supposed to.
Okay, good. I was gonna say,
sometimes
I
when
brushed
people-
it this morning.
You know, when people know that they're going to get their teeth whitened, they brush extra hard, and then their gums get really irritated, or their teeth are more sensitive. So that's why I tell them not to.
No, I brushed my teeth this morning.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Since you're a late appointment, but sometimes people come in the morning and then they just cannot leave the house without brushing their teeth.
I blame you.
Which, yeah, it's not the best. All right, so now first thing we're gonna do is protect your gums, and this is a gel that it's gonna be soft now, but then I'm gonna put the light on for about a minute and it's gonna harden. When you rinse your mouth later, it's gonna feel kind of strange. It's supposed to stay in place, but sometimes because of the saliva, it gets a little soft and might fall off. Hopefully it won't, but if it does, then we'll just reapply it. It just takes a couple of minutes to get it all around. side. If you could put these glasses on to protect your eyes. And then I'm going to put the light on for just about, make sure I didn't miss anything, for about a minute. And then once the gel's hardened, we'll apply the whitening gel.
Okay.
Okay.
So now this is whitening.
This is the whitening part, yep. So that was just to protect your gums from the whitening gel. Take this off so you can rinse real quick. How's it feel? You can sit.
Weird.
I know, yeah. Keeping your mouth open is the weirdest part.
My mouth is so dry.
Okay.
Did I get it all off?
Yeah, you're fine.
I
I'm
can't
gonna
tell.
wipe it too. Alright.
Yeah, my nose is like, it's like weird. It's like
I
burning.
wonder if it's because this thing is pushing up on it.
I think that
Yeah,
is.
it's probably why. But your teeth
My
are
mouth
whitening
doesn't
already.
spread. Really?
Yeah, it looks good. And this is just the first session.
What was I was gonna say something. You know, like people have like the at-home ones. Do those do the same thing as this one? Or is this one stronger?
Which ones you said?
The at-home ones.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
in between the professional.
Yeah. So those are not as strong. The ones that you can buy at home. But they're good for maintenance still. They're just not gonna so once you leave, they're gonna keep the color the way it is if you continue using them. But they're not gonna give you wider results than you know, when you get a professional.
So like if I wanted to maintain, who would be your preferred product?
You know, like I sell a kit now. I'm working on I'm working on kind of expanding it, but really anything with hydrogen peroxide in it, or I mean the Crest whitening strip. I know a lot of people like using those. I think they're pretty harsh on your teeth. So I don't have a specific brand, to be honest with you, but I remember when I was younger, actually I used to use the Crest whitening strips and I fell asleep with them on, and it was like the most painful experience ever.
No.
Oh yeah. It was I was Oh my goodness, they've gotten so white. You might, I don't have that often, but sometimes I have customers that like surpass the shading guide. So yours are getting really dark. That's great. So I don't want to get your hopes up, but they're getting really, really dark, light. So that's great. Yeah, so it was just the lifestyle, what we eat, you know. Are you a coffee drinker?
I was.
Yeah.
I drink a lot of tea.
Oh, okay. You know what I've noticed? I always thought coffee was worse, but sometimes I have clients, they say, oh, I don't drink coffee, but I drink tea.
I drink a
like,
lot of tea.
I feel like that stains the tea's almost worse. So be careful. Or maybe use a straw or something. Or just keep whitening your teeth more. Yeah, I like tea too. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I always try to be very careful because I see with my clients it does make a huge difference, because sometimes you think, oh, I'm a tea drinker, it's not that bad, but tea is pretty bad too.
It's like weird to close my mouth now since it's been open.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that's normal from the mouth open. Let me take a quick look.
And then we're doing the cover.
Yeah, the sealant. Yep. Let me just take a quick look at your color and see where it's at. I think you have one right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So your gums are okay. Did you want to try and add another 10 minutes? Do you have time or?
No.
Yeah? I just want to see if we can get it wiser.
Oh,
I usually only do 3, but I'm gonna use the rest of the gel. But this time we're gonna protect it in oil.
okay.
If it burns or anything, let me know.
All right, everyone, I have finished my session. Before I tell you how much it cost, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So I believe I bought the Groupon to get my teeth whitened. It was around like a little bit under 70. But Halita just told me that Groupon takes a lot of the money out of the business's pockets when you go through Groupon. So next time I will just call the business. But then right now I'm purchasing a whitening kit because I want to continue to keep my teeth this white. And I'm gonna also purchase a protectant just to allow me to eat after 2 hours after the session. So overall, I love the experience. I would definitely come back in the next few months. And if you are looking to do a whitening treatment on your teeth, you know, I mean, clearly I like to do it, so I'm sure you probably want to do it too. Just go ahead and head over to Bora Teeth Whitening on Google. I'll put a link down below so that you can come and ask for Halita because she's amazing. It was like such a great series.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, guys, so I will talk to you later. Bye.